Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a 3 marks question from the CBSE sample paper 2025-26. Let's look at the question. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 2x squared minus 1 plus 2 root 2x plus root 2 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial. Okay, so first let's find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. The given polynomial is 2x squared minus 1 plus 2 root 2x plus root 2. And I'm trying to find the zeros. So let me open up the bracket. So 1 times x gives me minus x and minus 2 root 2x plus root 2 equal to 0. From these two terms, I can take out x common. So 2x minus 1. From these two, I could take out minus root 2 common and I would have 2x minus 1. Now I could take out 2x minus 1 common out and x minus root 2 would go into the bracket. Now if I equate each of these terms to 0, I would get the values of x is 1 by 2 and x is equal to root 2. Okay, so therefore the zeros of the polynomial are 1 by 2 and root 2. Okay, so let me take these as the values of alpha and beta, which are the roots of the polynomial or the zeros of the polynomial. I'm just taking alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and beta is equal to root 2. Now the sum of zeros would be equal to alpha plus beta, which is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 2, or that's equal to 1 plus 2 root 2 by 2. Okay, I can also find the value of minus the coefficient of the x term divided by the coefficient of the x squared term, which is equal to minus b by a, and the value of a, b and c are these respectively. A is 2, b is minus of 1 plus 2 root 2 and c is root 2. Okay, so minus b by a would be minus of minus 1 plus 2 root 2 divided by 2. So that will be equal to 1 plus 2 root 2 by 2. Now if you notice, we got the sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and that's equal to 1 plus 2 root 2 by 2. Okay, now let's find the product of zeros. Now product of zeros is equal to alpha times beta, and that's equal to 1 by 2 times root 2, which is equal to root 2 by 2. Now I can find the value of the constant term, which is c, divided by the coefficient of the x squared term. Coefficient of x squared term. So that's equal to c by a, and that's going to be equal to c here is root 2. So root 2 divided by a was 2. Okay, so therefore we got the value of alpha times beta c by a, and that's equal to root 2 by 2. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.